yourself if you had a bullet in your fucking rifle, asshole?
Contact front!
Oh shit. He's got it. He's got it. Finish it.
Yeah.
Go. Be gongs. Clean the tree. Back to A. A gong. Sucks with one bullet left. Advance. Tree or spinner? Nice. Here we go. Nice. Nice. Tired. Nice. Finish it. Finish it. Finish it. Yeah.
Last round!
What's its time?
Time 180.
180, 59, no
Two
penalties.
pistol mags?
No, one mig. Oh yeah, two.
Cause you, oh, did
I
you,
cleared
did you
that
shoot
one?
at the slide lock?
Yeah, this is my last round.
Oh, nice.
Did it. So I cleared this, tack exchange.
Power that we are dealing with is immeasurable.
Yeah, shit.
Yeah, you chamber check that.
Once you put it over.
You,
There you go, right to that strap.
tack reload if you want.
Yeah, why not? Fuck it. I can always use more ammo. I mean, nobody flips this goddamn thing anyway, so fuck it.
You showed up with all your mags. That's new. We don't usually do that. Oh, you stopped. stop.
Yep. This is a tactical position right now.
So unorthodox style.
Yeah.
Out. Okay.
Hit.
Good. Advance.
Come on, fuck. All right.
Just come back to it, man.
Good thing it's cold today. Otherwise, this would be hard.
Yeah, all right. Bad start, everybody.
No good. Just quit. No good. It's no good. It's no good. Yes! Thank you for missing. Waste some bullets. Waste them. Waste them.
Ah, fuck.
Yeah!
You ain't shit.
Ooh.
You ain't shit.